Hello folks, I have something to unbox for you all. I usually do an unboxing of this one and I just thought, well, I haven't had too many videos lately, so maybe I'll show you my FabFitFun box. FabFitFun is a lifestyle box. You get all kinds of stuff in it. And normally I look ahead and see what I'm getting, and this time I didn't select anything. I have an annual membership, so I can go in ahead of time and say, I want this, I don't want that. I didn't do it, I just forgot about it. I have no idea what's in this. I haven't used a good box opener in a long time, so I think I will do so today. Since Mary got married and moved away and took most of her swords with her. Let's try that again. One of these days, you're going to see the police are going to be looking at my video of how I died with one of these. All right, there we go. That cuts it nice and neat. Let's open this and look inside. I had intended with FabFitFun just to order one box, and I accidentally signed up for an annual membership. And I could have written them to change it, but I said, you know what the heck? I'll do it for a year. So, in that giant box you just saw is this box, which is a little bit smaller, but still pretty big. I'll have details about FabFitFun, and if there is a link that gives you a bonus off your first box, I will put it down there. If not, I'll just link to the website. And let's open this and see what's in this one. With FabFitFun, you can also add things onto your order before it ships. You can go into their store and see what they have and add a few things on. I've done that before. Okay. Always, I get a set of little stickers. If you have a planner, you can, you might like to use these little stickers. I usually give them to my granddaughter. Even though I do have a planner, I use it just for planning. I don't use it like a scrapbook because I'm not that creative. So I'm not that much of a sticker person, but my granddaughter loves stickers. By the way, I'm going to be having a subscriber giveaway soon. Stay tuned for that video because there is a planner that I will be giving away. All right. Ooh, $15 off your first box with a coupon code. I'll put that in the that code in the description box below. They send you a little magazine that has information about the stuff that might be in the box. If you watch people's FabFitFun unboxings, you'll notice they're all a little bit different. You don't always get the same stuff in the box. And as I said, I have no idea what I'm getting. So, let's look together at what's in here. All right. Well, this will be a gift to somebody because I don't drink alcohol at all. But in this box is a stainless steel electric wine opener. That's interesting. Maybe I'll add that to my giveaway. This is battery operated wine opener, contents, 1 metal wine opener, foil cutter, 4 AA batteries included. That's awesome. And a user manual. I don't even think I'm going to open this one because I think I'm going to put that with my giveaway. All right. And there's all sorts of things like for coupons off of other subscription boxes they put in there. Let's see what is in here. Sur la table. You can tell I never took French in school. What on earth? Ooh, it's a cooking set. Let's see what these look like. Ooh, that's great for non-stick. I could really use these. These feel like bamboo handles. I wonder if they are. Does it say? Let me check the box. Avoid soaking. Hand wash only. Do not use over and open. Food grade silicone is the tips, but this feels like a bamboo handle, but I'm not sure. So you get one of these. You get like a spatula kind of thing, curved. You get a slotted spoon, which is one of the most useful things ever made for cooking and stirring. And you get a regular little spatula for your eggs. All right, that's pretty cool. I can definitely use those. Now here's another thing I cannot really use. Well, I wouldn't use it for cocktails. It's a cocktail shaker. So I don't drink alcohol at all, but I do like chocolate milk things like instant breakfast. And I remember as a kid, we used to drink instant breakfast all the time. Some of y'all probably don't even know what that is. But different flavored, powdered mix. You just mix in with milk in the morning and shake it up and you have a breakfast shake. And in my house growing up, there was a cocktail shaker that was used pretty much just for instant breakfast, which a lot of times we'd have before we left for school in the morning. So I could see a use for this, even though I don't drink alcohol. This is nice. This is glass with a silicone sleeve. Pretty good. And it also comes with a little stirring spoon. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. This is Vadam India. It's tea. Oh, I love tea. I actually have a pot of tea brewing right now that I just started brewing just before I turned on the phone. It's a recovery sampler. If you're in recovery, I don't know if you want a wine opener, but you definitely want tea. Some of you'll get that. All right. Chai tea, sweet cinnamon chai. Oh, turmeric ginger. I love a turmeric tea. Vanilla spiced chai and turmeric spiced herbal tea. Certified organic. And you can see in here the tea bags. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited about that one. Probably so far that and the spoons are the things I'm most excited about. And what's this? Hot chocolate bomb maker? If you want to go do protests and violently throw things, but you also want to keep the spirit of the Christmas season, you can make a hot chocolate bomb. Okay, that's going to put me on the Homeland Security site for people that some auto thing's going to hear that. All right. I am not sure. This is a little silicone thing. I'm not sure what you do, how you make hot chocolate bombs. And it doesn't say on here. Looks like a little baking thing. It probably will describe how to do it in the booklet they sent. Do any of you have this? Look at that. It's got, I guess you fold it over. And I assume you just make something, I don't know, make something you can throw in and put hot water over. I have absolutely no idea. If y'all have made hot chocolate bombs before, let me know what that is. I mean, I know what a bath bomb is, but not a hot chocolate bomb. Unless you want to have a hot chocolate bath in the spirit of the festive season. I don't know. So if you know about that, let me know. I also got Tula Skincare Purifying Face Cleaner with probiotics and superfoods. I don't eat face cleaner, so superfoods I don't really care about. But because I'm getting old and my skin is drying up, I like a good non-soap face cleaner. So I will definitely try this. Gel-based cleaner, powered by superfoods, removes dirt, impurities, and makeup without stripping or over drying. That sounds like something I can use. So I'll tell you all later how this worked. Have you ever used the Tula Skincare face wash? If you have, let me know how you liked it. And you can see what a big size that is, because you do get all full-size items in a FabFitFun box. And these are Manny Moments, Manny in a Box Duo. I didn't know what that meant at first, then I realized it's manicure. So let's see what's in here. Ooh. Oh. Cream mask, massage butter, sugar scrub, manicure. Are these all for your hands? Vitamin recharge mask and vitamin recharge sugar scrub. Let me read the directions. Although I'm so old, I gotta go like this to see this. This is written in like 0.3 type. Yeah, gently massage into hands. So this is all stuff for your hands for a manicure. And there's an emery board too. Okay, we'll give that a try. That looks like fun. And is there anything else in here? The box is now empty, but in my bigger box, there was also this. This is Grown Alchemist, another face cleanser. I can always use face cleanser, although these big bottles will last me like half a year. Oh, there we go. I do like the Grown Alchemist products very much. And again, you can kind of see the size of the product. So that is what is in my, I don't know if this is a winter or fall FabFitFun box, because I get them quarterly. Now, I did sign up for a year. I may be shifting over to another lifestyle box, which is all good. I've just sent them an inquiry. I'm only going to get one box. I do like All Good is all ethically sourced, sustainable, and that appealed to me. I have enjoyed getting the FabFitFun boxes as well, and but I think I'm only going to get one lifestyle box, so I'm not sure which one I'm going to stick with. Stay tuned, you will find out. Anyway, that's my, I guess it's my fall FabFitFun box, because it's not quite winter yet. So I think I have a winter box left before my subscription expires. Okay, stay tuned to the channel, and I will be sending information on the planner giveaway. I think it's called the Penny Pincher Planner. I'm not sure. I ordered it and plan to use it for a giveaway, since I pretty much have planners that I use already that are my favorite. I don't want to adapt to a new one, but this is one that seems to be popular with a lot of people, so I will show it to you. And if you are a subscriber and you comment in the comment box on that video, I will do a drawing and see who wins the Penny Pincher Planner. So stay tuned for that video, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.